Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. It's easy to get yourself some Bitcoin. To do this, all you need to do is click on the buy icon that's at the top left. So click on the buy, and once you selected the buy, you're met with buy or transfer crypto. You can use your Coinbase account to fund your wallet. So if you click on the buy or transfer with Coinbase, you're simply going to be linking your Coinbase account, which means you must have a Coinbase account in order to buy via this option. And if you do not have a Coinbase account and you're looking to buy some cryptocurrency with the Coinbase wallet, head to your browser icon, which is at the bottom of the screen. Head to alchemypay.org. And once you're on alchemypay.org, we're going to be selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. So they are an external service that work with wallets, and they help to buy cryptocurrency. They serve as a merchant when you buy or sell crypto. So we're going to be paying GBP, that's Great Britain pounds. You could set it to the United States dollar or more. And once you've selected the dollar as the option, instead of ACH being their own cryptocurrency, you could simply select Bitcoin as what we wish to buy. So we're going to be entering an amount, let's say $100 worth of Bitcoin. Click on buy now, and you're going to be forwarded to a page where you can simply enter the amount you wish to receive. So instead of GBP, we're going to be selecting USD. We'll be filling this in once again. Select the United States dollar. Instead of ACH, it's going to be Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin. And now for $300 worth, click on proceed to buy. Enter an email address, that's any email address of your choice. Once you've entered, click on the proceed option, and then proceed to enter the verification code that comes in. So once you've entered the verification code and you click on proceed, okay, and please enter your wallet address accurately. Only enter the address of the wallet you own and which you have access to. So this simply means we're going to be receiving it on the Bitcoin network. So head back to the assets menu, click on the receive option, click on receive, select the Bitcoin address. As you can see here, we have SegWit and Legacy, any of which work the same. So you could simply copy your address. Once you've copied any of them, head back to the browser, paste the address there, click on proceed. Now you're met with the choose payment method. So you could either go with your card or your Google Pay. So I'll be selecting the card, which houses the Visa and the MasterCard. Now simply enter your personal details, and you'd be asked to give them access. You'd be asked to confirm the transaction on your end. Once you've confirmed the transaction on your end, if you head to the assets menu and perform a reload, you'd find your Bitcoin is on the crypto tab here. Your Bitcoin would be on the crypto tab here. So guys, that's how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.